it's Diane from So Charming Quilts, and I just wanted to introduce to you our July quilt. We are doing the Robert Kaufman calendar quilts, and we've kind of fallen behind in the month of June, so we're hoping to catch up for the month of July. Our pattern is Whirling Sparks. It's a fun little quilt in these bright, hot summer colors. Most of you are experiencing a heat wave, so this is the perfect quilt to get your summer rolling if you're feeling that heat. It's designed by Elise Lee for Robert Kaufman, and I'm going to introduce you to the colors that we're going to be using on our fun quilt today. So the first color, we have black. We are also going to be using crimson, a beautiful rich red. Look at these gorgeous colors. Along with that, we will add poppy, flame, tangerine, orange, school bus. I love who names these colors. Look at this gorgeous color of school bus. And finally, our binding will be done in lipstick. So if you would like to join us, we will be doing YouTube videos with tips and tricks. I'm actually going to, in my next video, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks. I'm not going to construct my half square triangles 2 at a time. I'm actually going to use the 8 at a time method. So I will be doing some videos on that in case you want to do that with me. It's just my personal preference. So join us, and we will be making our July quilt, and hopefully we'll be able to do a reveal fairly soon. Thanks for joining us. Bye.